Microneedling, exfoliating, skincare day and night.
I think you're supposed to drink how much? I'm not going to drink this today, guys. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Everyone is recreating some YouTubers makeup tutorials, so I thought I could try and recreate Patrickstarrr because I feel like he is such a lovely guy and he's so hilarious. I enjoy watching his videos because he is so good. I hope you guys will stay tuned and enjoy it, and make sure you guys are subscribed, and I'm gonna leave Patrickstarrr's video in the description box down below so you guys can go and check out his video. So yeah, stay tuned. Hey everyone, so this is my skin naked, so let's address this friend right here. Okay, excuse my nails, you guys.
Microneedling, exfoliating, skincare day and night.
To prime my face, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Maybelline pore eraser, baby skin pore eraser.
Skin because I do have very porous areas right here on my skin,
so I will be using my Insta Blur from Body Shop because I do have large pores somewhere around my nose and just a little bit under eye, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. He's coming up right now and his face already looks like he has already applied some foundation, and I haven't done that. I'll be using my Fenty by Rihanna foundation. I'm in the shade 440. Okay, so we're going for that full coverage. I'm gonna try and speed up. By the way, this looks a bit so different from the way I usually do my own makeup because I usually start from my eyebrows. You know, my eyebrows comes first because this is just me, but we haven't done our eyebrows yet, so let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so he's using a brush, but I don't feel comfortable using a brush anymore when I'm doing my foundation, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Real Techniques beauty blender.
like a little orange, so I'm gonna take my Maybelline.
I'm looking a bit orange, so I'm gonna take my Hello Gold Pro Concealer in the shade Toast and highlight my face. All right. Wait, he's already onto his eyebrows. Like when did we all finish this concealer business? Like, okay, he didn't highlight his nose, did he? No, he highlighted this area. That was super fast. Okay, some of us are trying to learn. Okay, I will be using my beauty blender, but I usually highlight my nose. Okay, so this is kind of new to me. Okay, voila, I don't look so orange now. Okay, so he's moving on now. Let's see. Ooh, okay, wait, Patrick, wait. Okay, so he's got like a full eyebrow routine, so he's gonna just dust his, okay, and we haven't done our eyebrows. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera. I'll be right back with you guys and continue this tutorial. I tried. So now this is the time to go and set the concealer. Okay, we had not done it. I usually set my concealer immediately after I finish applying it. Okay, wait, it looks like he's already done his nose. Like, oh my gosh, how did he do this? Like, it looks so flawless right here. Oh my god, like all over here. He didn't do his forehead. Okay, let's remove this.
Usually I would do this before.
Oh my god. Okay, so he usually does this step before he applies his foundation. We have already skipped that, so I'm gonna be using my sleek bare case illuminator and in the shade Pompeii, and I haven't done this before, so this is like my first time, like seriously first time doing this. I don't even know. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I don't know how this is gonna be like. I've never done this before, so bear with me. So now that we've done that, we can go ahead and now set that whatever that is.
So for the eyes, I'm going to take one of my favorite palettes by e.l.f. This is the Matte for Matte number 2.
Yeah, so I'm just going to be using my Nubian palette, and I'll just try to find the colors that work more with my deeper skin tone, okay? So I think I'm going to go with that shade right here because I've got very, very deeper skin tone. And so we're just gonna dust this in the crease of my eye, okay? Usually before I do my eyeshadow, I usually go ahead and set my concealer if I've done like anything onto my eyelid. And that's it for the eye. Oh, okay. Okay, so I thought we were done with the eyes, but no, we haven't. We have to go back in. What? Like, he is moving so pretty fast. Like, he only did like a quarter of his eye and it's like he's already moved to the eyelashes. Like, seriously. Okay, I will be using my NYC liquid liner. This is my favorite liquid liner, and he said we have to line this super thin. Okay, we're not going for anything dramatic. Okay. I don't know, one of them looks thicker than the other, but anyhow, let's move on. Let's see. Okay, so for the lashes, I will be using my own local beauty supply lashes. And we're still baking, guys. If you have realized that we still haven't finished our face, we're still baking. We haven't contoured our face at all, so this is completely different from what I usually do.
A great lash in the color Very Black. This mascara is so inexpensive.
This is one thing that I've got that he's using, like seriously, yay, yippee, I'm so happy. Okay, so we're just gonna go and do our upper lashes. Okay, okay, wait, he's already moved on. Come on, I still haven't even done one eye. Okay. Alright, so right now he's teaching us how to apply your lashes. He's saying that you need to get a mirror and look down. I've tried that, but it doesn't work with me, but I'm gonna apply my lashes the way I know I can.
To bond the lashes, you can put your pinky on top of your false lashes and comb.
Oh, Jesus Christ, like this is something that I've never done. Like, pray for me, guys, pray for me. So you're saying that to bond your lashes, your eyelashes together with the falsies, you need to put your pinky right here, and then, oh gosh, I can't even. I feel like my lash is already lifting. Like, I'm gonna let it pass. Like, but yeah, that's the way you're supposed to do it. Okay, black eyeliner just to. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You see, I hardly do this, you guys. I don't tight line, like I can't. Oh my god, no.
So to dust off all of the Dermablend powder, I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever Pro Finish powder.
Wait. His face is already like doesn't look as white as mine. When did you do it? He's like to dust off, like he's already blended that out. Like we skipped that part, okay? Definitely we skipped that part. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dust this off because he's already done it. Like seriously, where did the white powder go? Now we sort of look like we're on the same level, okay? Right now, we're on the same page right now, okay? I'll be using my MAC NW50 Studio Fix, so just to dust off my face, okay?
Under the eyes, I'm going to take one of my favorite powders. This is the...
Definitely, I do not have that other powder. Like, I only use not a lot of powders, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep just to go underneath my eyes, okay? This looks amazing. I've never tried this before. Like, seriously. Makes a difference.
Next, I'm going to spray a little bit
okay.
of Fix Plus.
Next, I'm going to spray a little bit of Fix Plus. So he's using a bronzer. I usually don't bronze my face, but I will be using the CoverGirl Ebony Bronze to bronze the outside of my face. Like, seriously, I don't really see the benefit of a bronzer because my skin tone is very deep, so I really don't see much difference. But I don't know, maybe it works. Okay, let's just try it. I like that. Okay. For the highlighter, again, I don't have that little whatever. I've seen this many times on Instagram and I'm like, okay, this is another level of makeup. But I will be using my Sleek highlighting palette, Cleopatra's Kiss, okay?
Now for blush,
I've never tried that before. I'll be using my Sleek Flush Blush, then dust it off our hands like this. Okay, this is something that I've never done. Like, seriously, never done. It just goes like... We're gonna contour our bridge of the nose, okay? It's something that I usually do immediately after I apply my foundation, okay? So we're gonna do this right now. I'll be using my Sleek Contour Kit in Dark. We're gonna go back into the Nubian palette and add some dimension underneath our lash line. I'm just gonna go ahead and use that shade, okay?
To create just some sort of dimension.
This moment we haven't lined our waterline. I usually love lining my waterline. Like, I can never leave the house with my waterline not lined. This is just something that I can't never do.
I'm gonna finish the bottom lash line with Maybelline Great Lash.
Just because I can't do without my waterline being done, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Rimmel London Scandal Eyes just to line my waterline a bit.
Highlight, I'm gonna take my Becca Bronzed Amber.
Guys, I thought we are already done with the highlight, like we're highlighting again. Okay, no problem. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Topshop highlight, and this is in the shade Glow Dust, okay? We're gonna keep the glow coming, okay? Ooh, we're glowing, honey. We're glowing. Can you see the glow, guys? We are glowing. Okay, so I'm gonna skip the part. He's going back to another bronzer. Like, seriously.
Sticking to the natural look, believe it or not, I am not going to line my lips. I'm just gonna take this color.
As you know, if you're a deeper skin tone kind of girl, you have to use your liner, otherwise it's gonna look a big mess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips. I will be using my MAC Vino lip liner. And for the lipstick that I'm going to be using is this miniature lipstick by Kat Von D. I bought this as a miniature set. This is like so tiny, okay? Double Dare, Kat Von D. And that's the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and change and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. It is glam, it is fresh. So yes, so I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. Like, you guys, I did make an effort, okay? You guys know I'm not a makeup artist and I just love makeup. So recreating Patrickstarr's makeup was just so challenging for me because he's just amazing. I love the way he does his makeup. Like I can see obviously why he did all the steps he did, because my skin is looking absolutely flawless and this makeup is looking absolutely natural, almost natural but kind of flawless. Okay guys, so yes, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Drink it. Okay, me guys go ahead.